In this video, I'm going to show you best way to get evolution shards for free to play players. So this should be a quick and easy process video. How do you evolve cards? So collecting 6 evolution shards for a specific card will unlock its evolved form. Earn evolution shards from Pass Royale, unlocked at King level 7 challenges, shop offers, level up chests, and lucky drops. This is how do they work. You should hold your hogs. Be sure to place the evolution card in an evolution slot in your deck before diving into battle. You will know when a card has been placed in an evolution slot, as it will appear magically charged at the troop's appearance will change to their evolved form. If an evolution card is placed in a regular slot, the card will not appear in its evolved form, so it will function as normal in battle. Evolution slots are unlocked at the following milestones. First evolution slot, King level 7, King Tower level 5, second evolution slot, King level 30, King Tower level 11. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.